It ensures access to all categories of learners, gifted, challenged, retarded, general, every category of learners. For better quality control in education, with making ample use of technological support, ensuring equity and affordability and accountability to make India a vibrant knowledge society. These two are the basic points or ideas upon which this whole NEP 2020 has been designed, planned and proposed. As far as this policy is concerned, it aims to make education more holistic and experiential type of education. That means more and more practical activity should be given preference in it to acquire knowledge, skill and practice of skill. Because a Skill India program is also going on, working well, and that has also been given a part and parcel aspect in this NEP 2020. Therefore, this experiential learning or experience-based learning has been given much priority in this policy. Similarly, multidisciplinary approach has also been given a lot of recognition and preferences here, and my previous speakers have elaborated it properly, so I must not go in detail about it. But one thing I must highlight here, that the stream-bound education, or I may say the days of stream-bound education, is now over. So, in future, students may not be able to get Bachelor of Education or Bachelor of Science or Master of Science like these degrees. Because any discipline, any subject may be selected by the student, and it depends upon the choice of the learner. No stream foundation. One can learn philosophy along with chemistry. In our time it was not there. There was restriction. If you are admitted to the faculty of science, you have to learn science subjects only, no any other subject. But now, this is the basic characteristics of new education policy 2020, that selection will be the choice of learners, on the basis of the choice of learners. And in this way, it is multidisciplinary in real sense. It is flexible and choice-based, flexible in terms of selection of subjects as well as learning duration of time and entry and exit level at time of study. And it has been elaborated properly, so I am making all the points. Skill and capability development oriented education is proposed. Vocational ability and activity-based learning. Vocational education is being given much prioritization and preference in this policy. This is one of the important characteristics of this policy, because it has been supposed that from the very level of class 6, student must be able to learn some or other vocational skill according to his or her choice. Similarly, foundation literacy and numeracy has also given much preference upon it. Not only learning of literacy or numerology is sufficient, mathematics is sufficient, but according to me, as envisaged in this policy, that foundational literacy and numeracy must strengthen the linguistic ability of language as well as numeral abilities also. The number of researches already have been started in our university of Banaras Hindu University to design and frame a program how to implement this foundational literacy and numeracy at very school level. And similarly, as far as my knowledge is concerned, some researches are also going on in the University of Varanasi also. And some students, as a scholar, has already submitted his or her thesis on this very topic and designed a program to ensure the development of fundamental literacy and numeracy among students. This is experimental work going on. Similarly, progressive assessment, yearly certification, as it has been mentioned, first year certificate, second year diploma, third year degree, and fourth year honors degree. All these things should not be there, and transferability of assimilate data from one institution to another, or one person to other, one group of learners to another. NEP 2020, as is mentioned there, quality education for all. It ensures, it aspires to ensure, I may say, quality education for all, because it is very difficult task. But at the same time, it has been said that counseling and guidance service at all levels of education is a must to implement this NEP 2020. Because students have to select the subjects of his or her own choice, and in that selection of subject, educational guidance and counseling is needed. Similarly, vocational guidance and counseling is also needed, because which subject of vocational skill is to be selected, that has to be decided by the learners. Similarly, early childhood education and extended foundational level is also another characteristic. That with 3 years of preschooling is proposed, with age range of 3 to 6 years, and 2 years of class 1 and 2 from age level to 6 and 8 years. That is, primary education has been bifurcated according to this plan. Use of all modes of learning and variety of teaching learning techniques have been permitted through this